Yo, what's going on, Steezy fam? Welcome back to another one of my videos, and today is going to be a special type of day. I have to give a big thanks to MHD Tuning and Vader Solutions for making this video possible. As you guys can already tell from the title, I'm going to be tuning my 335i BMW. It's something I've always wanted to do. There was just a few things I had to do before tuning it, like upgrading the downpipes, charge pipe, and intakes and exhaust. Did all that and did all the maintenance, so today is finally the day to tune my 335i. I'm super excited, guys, like really hyped, and you guys are going to experience it all with me. So let's roll in today's video. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, it's bright and early. Got the beams looking all clean. Just washed it last week. But we got all the cables, the Android tablet, and I just went ahead and put the Vader Solution clip, and look how flush that looks, guys. And I just put the Android tablet in, and it holds really well. Like, you really have to use some force to get it out of this case, so it should hold there when we're going over fast speeds and bumps. So let's get into the install, guys. First thing I'm going to do, guys, is turn on the car. Not completely on, just put it on the on switch. Look at that stitching. Oh, it's beautiful. But yeah, we got the car on, and then we're going to go ahead and move the OBD buck so we can get into this port right here, because what we're going to do is we're going to end up plugging this into right here and then running the wires underneath right here so that it can connect to the Android. Let's just go ahead, put a little firm, make sure it's on, and we're going to go ahead and plug this cable into where the Android charger input is right here. So go ahead and put that in. Boom. Let's turn this baby on, go to the app. Allow the app MHD flasher M54 to access the USB device. Okay. Open MHD. So guys, what we're going to do is flash an MHD map. We're going to go to current maps for this, and right here you're going to see all the stages. So I just purchased the licenses, guys, and once you are done, it's going to show you this menu. I'm going to go to options. I was just messing with the exhaust burble, and you can change this later on in the future. You just have to flash it again. We got the bass, so when I'm just driving normal, and then in sport mode it's going to be more aggressive, as you can see. I think these look good. Cold start reduction, definitely don't need that. I've upgraded downpipes. I think everything on here is good, so we're going to go ahead and go to the other menu. Alright, guys, we're going to do a full right, but first I'm going to go ahead and roll down the window, because I'm going to have all doors shut while doing this. So let me get out of the car. So we got the AC off, guys. We got the headlights off, and right now we're just going to go ahead and do the full right. Let's see how long this takes, and I will keep you guys updated and tell you guys how long this takes me. This is my first time flashing this MHD tune. I'm really stoked. So guys, check this out. The MHD tune has been downloading so fast. It's already at 50%, and I'm so excited to go do some polls and see the difference with the Stage 2 tune. I've been wanting to tune my BMW forever. I just had to do the downpipes, charge pipe, intakes, and remove all the cats. So we're definitely going to be seeing some differences with the Stage 2 tune, and I'll be making sure to get my reaction and telling you guys the differences I feel. I am hyped, guys. It is already at what is it at? 60%, 8 minutes left. So in 8 minutes, we're going to be getting the increases in that exhaust burble that all these twin turbo E92s and E90s are known for, is that like the exhaust crackle. It sounds like literally gunshots if you have no cats. But that's not really what we're going for. Really, it's just because I have all these upgrades and shit, and when you don't have a tune or anything, it's kind of just pointless. So we're going to have that tune and everything. You guys are about to experience my excitement with me. We are at 25 seconds, 20 seconds. The countdown starts now. Come on, come on. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bah! I'm just playing. Oh, it's at 0%. All right. Okay, it just made a ding noise. That's good. That's good. That's good. Normal. Okay, it's clearing codes, because I do have a few codes. Success. Turn off ignition and wait 30 seconds So everybody, it says success, so now we can turn on the car. I just waited 30 seconds. This is gonna be the first start. Let's go ahead and start it up. Nice, nice. Maybe we should hit the back arrow. So guys, the car is flashed right now. So guys, I just went ahead and went through the whole app so I can show you guys. I'm gonna flip this around, and what I'm gonna go do is go to the monitors, and I'm gonna go to the auto logging. And right here is gonna show you all your gauges. We got the boost gauge, oil temp, the coolant, just the RPMs. And if you wanna change one, all you have to do is click it, and it gives you this menu right here. And there's a whole bunch of changes you can do depending if you're doing E85, ethanol injection, fuel, gears, all these. I'm sorry if it can't focus that well, it's just the glare of the screen, the oil temp, RPM. And yeah, if you guys wanted to just go through all of those. So the next thing I'm gonna do is take my Android tablet and put it on the Vader clip and show you guys how well this fits in here. Let me go ahead and try to do it with one hand, and I'm just gonna have to hide this long underneath the dash. But what you're gonna wanna do is just go ahead and get that snapped right in place. Pressure on, and it will link right in. Now guys, look at that. Let me go ahead and close this door so that there's not such a bad glare. Guys, check out that monitor. It looks so flush. All I have to do, I can hide this along over here and just maybe 3M tape it all the way up on there or Velcro it. But guys, look at how fire this is. I'm so excited. I know you guys can see my reflection right there, but it's all good. I'm so excited. Let's go do some pulls with the new tune. Let's get it. Let's go ahead, roll down the windows so you guys can hear these crazy backfires. Monitor is going crazy, which is how I like. I'm so hyped to have actually a new monitor. Oh my god, did you guys hear those backfires already? That is insane. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys hear my neighbor yelling at me? That is so funny. And then those backfires though. Oh my god, guys, that is awesome. I am so happy you guys saw my neighbor yelling at me. That is so funny. Now let's go ahead and do a pull. I'm gonna actually go talk to him because that is so funny. I was actually just going the speed limit too, so. Oh my god! Oh my god! That is so crazy. I can definitely feel the power, guys. That is so crazy. And having these gauges here is so awesome. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I'm actually gonna go back to my neighbor's house. I was too excited. I had to floor it in my neighborhood because there's a super long street. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go talk to him and film it and see what he has to say. He has a pretty nice Corvette, so I'm gonna go talk to him right now. Sorry about that, sir. Yeah, I know. I just went a little over. I know you drive a Corvette. I see your Corvette all the time, Yeah, I wanted you to hear my exhaust, to be quite honest. Yeah, I apologize that for this, sir. It won't happen again. I just don't want to have any drama with any of my neighbors, especially the neighborhood I live in, and that is just not good when your neighbors hate you guys, especially when you have a stage 2 tuned BMW. But I thought that was super funny that happened in this video, and I gotta get that on film. But guys, I am so hyped to finally have my BMW tuned. I have to give another big thanks to MHD Tuning and Vader Solutions. I'm gonna make sure to put their Instagram and links in the description below, so make sure to go check them out if you guys want the same setup as me. You guys just saw how easy it was to flash this with the stage 2 tune from MHD Tuning, so make sure to go check them out, guys. I definitely recommend it. I love the gauges. I can definitely feel the improvement with this tune. Like, it's just there with the throttle response. But definitely more mods and parts coming on the way, so make sure to like and subscribe. Until then, guys, we out here.